Hello there, welcome to this lesson. I will be teaching you this sound, the sound of that symbol. That symbol, it sounds oo, okay? And the oo sound is realized oftenly in words from oo, and some other words, OU, and some words, O, only O will sound oo, and in some words, let U also can sound oo. Good. Now, let me give quick examples from all of those spelling variants of oo that I've just mentioned. From OO, we have words like scooter, school, scoop. So those kind of words we have oo from OO. Now OU words like group, soup, youth. Good. Now U words like ruler, nude, dude. Good. Now O, not really much words from O though. Words like do, to. So those kind of words. Now let's talk about transcriptional practices of oo. Just like I do say, all you need to do is pronounce a word, listen to the way you pronounce the word, and then you transcribe what you pronounce. It's as simple as that. So let's take for example the word school. To transcribe school, sound the first sound from school. Good. And after, what's the next sound? Good. After that, next sound. School. Ooh, that's right. After ooh, what's the last sound? It's as simple as that. Now we've transcribed the word school. Let's move to youth. To transcribe youth, since we know that oo is realized from the word youth from OU. So you know when you get to that part, you change it to the symbol of oo. Now, youth itself, the first sound is, sound it to me. Good. Represented by this symbol. Like a Y. Good. After that, youth. Oo. Good. After oo, what's the last sound? It's good. The consonants, the voiceless consonants, TH sound. Good. And that's how you transcribe youth. Good. Let's move to the simple word. TO, two. Very simple. And that's it. And that's how you transcribe two. Good? Okay. How about do? First sound of do, sound it to me. Good. And thank you. That's it. So now I want you to do this little exercise. You list how many spelling variants? We have O, U, O, O, and OU. 4 spelling variants. Out of those 4 spelling variants, I want you to list 5 words from each. List and transcribe 5 words from each spelling variant of the sound oo. That's your home exercise. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.